What's up, y'all? Today is day 2 of my table project that I'm doing. I may put this in the same video as yesterday's, so if you're seeing this right after the end of another one, it's because it wasn't long enough to make its own video. If not, this is its own video, so please watch till the end. Enjoy the video. If you have any advice, make sure to give it to me, and I hope you enjoy. This machine right here is a planer. You put the wood through and it shaves it off, and it planes the wood. It's from Rigid. We've been doing that, getting the wood smooth. Obviously this one hasn't been through.
Did I hand you a marker?
All right, y'all, so we probably did the planing for probably a good couple hours. We really wanted this wood to be good, smooth fit, because if the wood was rough on the edges, then it wouldn't clamp all the way down on the sides when we glue them together. So we really made sure this was going to be good. We only planed 2 sides of it because the tops and the bottoms are going to be redone at the end. We did this for all of the poplar and for the hickory. It didn't matter which wood because we wanted them to fit together nicely. At the end, after it's all glued together, we're going to plane the top and the bottom and make sure that it gets all smooth. But at this time, it didn't really matter if we did that or not, so we didn't do it because there was really no point to it.
Increase their cost by 21% since Biden's taken office.
Yeah. Well, you know, fair or unfair, people blame the president.
What you want to do is you want to get the whole
they
face
blame or
covered.
they credit the president for the state of
See,
the
I'm not
economy.
putting enough on it.
Now, that's just the way it is. And it's always
Whether that's fair or not, that's just the way it is. I guess that's the economy is fair, but that's just the way it is. People do things. And they view, as an issue, the economy and the cost of living in particular, i.e. inflation, they blame on Biden to a large extent.
because remember the stickers on the gas pumps? I did that.
Yes, Biden with his finger pointing at the
Hey,
gas.
I did that. Okay, that's stuck in people's minds. It doesn't matter that
Remember,
the
you ever
price
see
of
those
gas is
stickers?
back down.
Yes, I
The
did.
fact is,
The gas
people in
station, you
people's
probably weren't the one
minds,
to put them on there,
that
didn't
went
you?
up for
I
a
would have
year,
if I
crazy.
had money to spend on it, but I was too busy spending the money on gas.
But even, yes, but I
hear
would
you.
go further there
You got
because
to one up.
Yeah, here's one that goes, yeah, it may have gone down, but it didn't go down back to where it was when Trump was in office. Yeah, that's it. So I understand that to a certain degree, but I blame.
What we're doing here is we're just putting the glue on the wood. We're putting it on one side and then we flip them over and we cover the other side too. It's important to cover the whole face of the wood in glue. You don't want anything not covered because it won't adhere to the other piece properly right there.
What we're going to do is these clamps.
This is American Family Radio, a
Go
listener-supported ministry of the American Family Association.
What you got to do is
We ended up doing this in 2 pieces because we're going to need to have it in 2 pieces anyway for the planer, the final planing. So we just did it in 2 pieces so it'd be easier to move around, make sure that everything fits together nicely. Alright, y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you have any advice, leave it in the comments below. Like I said before, this is my first time really doing something to this scale in wood. I'm a metal worker. I'm a welder by trade. So if y'all have any advice, please leave it below. Please don't be too harsh with the criticism. I know I probably deserve a bunch of it, but I'm still learning. So let me know what you thought of this video. Thank you for watching.